Welcome to Between Sisters. Today I have a very special treat for you all. I have the Yellow Diamond Record artists with me. Say hi everyone.
Hello.
So I know that oftentimes your fans get to see you guys on stage only. And so today is a great opportunity that the fans get to know you guys outside of the stage and performing on stage. So we are going to play some activities as well as go through some Q&As. First off, I do want to congratulate you guys for having an amazing 5 shows so far on your tour. And you guys have one more place to go. So who suggested that idea of going on a tour, and what was your initial thought when you guys heard about what we're going on tour? So can somebody tell me who suggested that idea first?
Why don't you answer this?
Okay, so
Alright, well the tour has always been something that we've always wanted to do, not just with the States, but overseas as well. But before we get there, we want to see what we can do here first. And so this is something that our boss, the CEO of Yellow Diamond Records, Kassie Chang, had initiated and shared with all of us, and got us on the same game plan that we need to make this possible. We need to start it in order to create bigger things in the future to come.
you can tell us, go to a concert, the next one. How do you prepare for the next one?
Well, usually for us, we as a team, we try to stay organized. So writing down our routines about what we want to do and what we think will hype up the crowd. We change it up every once in a while. Changing songs around so that it wouldn't be so repetitive. But then writing down our routines and definitely reviewing with our CEO and everything. That's basically how we prepare.
Okay, so you guys have a little family meeting and throw ideas out there. And what was the biggest challenge for putting on this tour?
Do you mind if I say something on this one?
Yeah.
I think one of the biggest challenges that we faced on this tour was that every place that we go to is a different venue, different team, different light and sound engineer. So we always have to, it always feels like we always have to start over with telling everybody what we need to do, the team, the staff that works there. So I think that's been the biggest challenge with not having a production team of our own, that we have to rely on outsourcing and using what is considered in-house. Then that's been our challenge to keep up with.
Even though we do change up our routines, you change up also. First time ka perform every time you have to perform, not only the first time I perform keep that excitement up. So that sometimes it is challenging because it does depend on the venue and the team that is assisting you too. So yeah.
Kind of poke fun at you and DeathRhyme. So, so even though you guys do different, performance, and like you said, you gotta make it look like it's the first time. So does it feel like the first time each time you guys end with a kiss at the end?
Well, after every kiss, there's always a new beginning from them.
Okay, I guess coming from being a pageant girl and being on stage as an artist now, what is the biggest difference?
Well, we all do know that being in the pageant, you have to be more formal, but converting to being an artist, instead of or community service, sharing your vision through your music too, which I think is also empowering. But I love the pageant world too, but singing, I feel like that's really me, and I could really let loose about who I am and just express it.
Maa Vue if there's a guy song that you can answer with a girl version, what song would that be? So it would be David. Answering David.
I would like to respond to one of David's songs because
Okay.
I think actually Unported David 你说讲过我不考学他做girls or no more 现在有，但是我知道 boy 的话你 respond 到你了 so 不应该个要 respond 到几个问题。
Yeah, there's 2 sides to the story, right?
Exactly.
So, there's If there was another artist out there who is not signed to a label yet, if you could choose somebody to join the Yellow Diamond record family, who would that be?
Very loud.
Why did you put her husband on blast like that?
I would say Kanye Jeong. I really love her. I do. I mean, I love her vocal. Her personality is very friendly, and I love her.
So DeathRhyme có cái lyrics này thì ý cái lyrics cứ mua của hình thế để chỉ thấy thảo cũng mua lúc khi họ you have writer's block, and if you do, what do you do to overcome that?
Can you say that again? What do you mean by that?
Huh?
What you mean by that? Can you say that again?
Did you just have writer's block right now?
So you know tí thảo có sau có cái số mua của ya,แต่chỉ tí thảo cũng mua lúc cái lúc nhiều or you sau đó chỉ là cái chúng ta chỉ tự giàu you lúc xưa na, tí thảo cũng mua lúc xưa họ xong rồi cái đó chỉ cái
Like
gì.
times that you might
Lucy
get
Hart,
involved
yeah, no, she usually does that.
Yeah, and so what do you do to overcome that?
What I do to overcome it, I look at the world and then I write, you know. But if I was to write for myself, then,
Hey, that rhymes.
Sẽ tao là lúc nào cũng
Bây
là
giờ-
chọn thu rõ thế
Ê,
nào?
bây giờ thảo có hay you know that's what I saw. He said you need to share joy. He glanced at her.
Y'all can replay the video.
Go, you look at the world's right over here.
You see? T, so far, what is the most memorable moment as a Yellow Diamond record artist for you?
Most memorable.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I can't pinpoint or just be specific about just an exact moment because you know throughout this whole journey there's been so many like you know memorable moments that I've had, and you know it's just I don't know, I can't pinpoint anything. I'm just everything's like you know memorable to me. Even like right now or last night when Maa was doing cartwheels.
Oh my
at 5 in
gosh.
the morning, and we were breakdown battle with Maa.
We might have an example of that later on. Okay.
Yeah, but most memorable, I can't pinpoint just an exact moment, but there's plenty of them.
Okay, so far the journey has been memorable overall. Okay. So David, sometimes you come up with like several songs in a month or several songs in the year, you know. So where do you find your inspiration to write all those songs?
I mean, you know, as an artist, I love to be creative, so I think from like a creator's perspective, you know, like I'll listen to my peers' music just to motivate me to try to find a topic to write about, and then I also take bits and pieces of my life and my experiences to write about it. And I think that's how I kind of come up with music so quick, because I'm always pinpointing and I'm always listening to other artists to keep my motivation up, or just to try to hear their stories and what they write about, you know. I kind of create it out of myself. Yeah.
Okay. And finally, I want to ask each one of you to just give a message to somebody who is an aspiring artist, and if they want to be where you guys are, what kind of message would you like to give them? So we
Stay
can start.
consistent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say just stay consistent. Make the music that you love, and you know, don't ever try to change your style up or change what kind of music you create for anybody else but yourself. You know?
Definitely be who you are.
Be original.
Yeah.
The original,
Beliefs.
ignore the haters, whatever they say. Success speaks for itself.
Be confident. Support yourself as well. Even when people are down on you, you still gotta put yourself up there. You still gotta have the belief in you.
It's true. And I just want to say life is short, so live and do what you love.
Yeah. You know, you can't always expect like people to think the way you do and to support you all the time. There will be like out of like 10 people, there will be like 4 or 5 that will support you. And so it is your vision. You know, go for it. You just want to do more shit because you got my vision.
So finally, nếu cũng mua ý lo lực hại cho những cái fans here. So we'll start from Lily down to David.
I just want to say, you know, thank you guys for the love and support. You know, they honor love, they reach out to niche that you know có bé một cái công ty gì thế và bây giờ she share với your music thế và sẽ được một cái share. And so thank you guys for always like you know my share to support me all the time.
Yeah, and I
just say the same thing. Thank you guys for your love and support, and I hope to see a lot of you guys soon.
I guess I will say the same thing.
Yeah.
Pretty much everybody.
Well, thank you everybody for supporting. This out there, check one go. They don't check. Which you don't want to get. That's it. Gold from like years ago. So thank you everybody and all. We're
Now,
going to see you guys.
now let me get to the gọi là 뭐야?
tao có.
So như ý hai vợ mấy lo lúa vợ trâu đâu à, sợ đâu vợ đi lên nông à, chơi bé lúc xưa theo chơi bé chọn câu à, để những bị mua lợi thì mua bé lúc nọ như chỉ mua thì đâu bé thì chỉ cho à, bé lúc rồi chỉ mua một nọ theo chỉ bé lúc chỉ lo chỉ để một nọ là bé cho cái tàu bé cho cái cung câu. So 我是那时候教他把那些事的那家的别说那句趁他别名字的那个别说的是八百这给呢这点没家的
I just wanted to give a big shout out to all the fans, all the supporters. Thank you guys for always being there. Thank you for giving our music a chance. Thank you for clicking every like button, every share on the videos, every ticket that you bought, every VIP ticket that was bought, everything that you guys do, man. Thank you guys so much. We couldn't be here without you guys, so I appreciate the love.
Alright, so I'm so happy that I get to spend some time with you all and play some games, and I'm glad that you guys, just being here with you all, I can feel the family love that you guys have for each other. So I know that you guys go really far.
Family.
Yeah, so stay tuned for next time. Until next time, we'll see you again. Bye-bye.
See you guys.
Just kidding. Never have I ever hooked up with a fan.